LG has confirmed that the company will launch a new W series phone in India on June 26. The event will take place in New Delhi and will kick off at 11:30 am. As per teaser posted on the official LG India website, the upcoming LG W series phone will pack triple rear cameras that will bring a ton of features such as dedicated night mode for better low light photography result as well as the ability to take wide angle photos. Interestingly, LG's new W series phone will also let users change the shape of the water drop notch on the phone or even hide it completely with a black bar. While the brand hasn't yet confirmed it yet, as many as 3 LG W series phone could be unveiled at the event. One of them will be called the LG W10 as exclusively reported by sharing an image of the phone retail box. Names of the other device are not confirmed yet, but the most high-end model in the series could be dubbed the LG W30. The W30 is expected to arrive with triple rear camera setup, which is also being frequently teased by the brand. The LG W10's specification were recently revealed via listing on Android Enterprise website. The phone is set to arrive with 6.2-inch display of unknown resolution and boot Android 9 Pie out of the box with the brand's custom UI on top. The phone will have a fingerprint sensor which will be placed on the back. It will be powered by the either MediaTek Helio P60 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 439, aided by 3GB of RAM and 33GB of storage, which is expected to be further expandable via microSD card. Photo of the phone suggests that the handset will have a polycarbonate design with 3.5mm headphone socket, a charging port, a speaker at the bottom. The smartphone will also feature dual primary camera on the back, which will be placed vertically. According to the report, the LG W series smartphone will be priced in the country under 15,000 rupees. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.